I know. My braids have outgrown, and having new growth is definitely not so cute. So it is definitely time to take these braids out and give it a new makeover. I'm just going to be tying my hair back and take a few braids. I always start in the back so that even if I get tired or when I get lazy, I can just cover it up like nothing ever happened. In case you're wondering what I use to take up my hair, I use scissors. I cut right through it. My hair is actually not that long, so I am not really afraid to cut my hair while I'm cutting the braid. So yeah, I just go for it right through the middle. So after I cut through the braid, it makes it a lot more easier for me to take it out and also a little bit more faster. I just make my way up and undo the braid. To be honest, you guys, I was sweating in my room because it was so hot during that time. So perfect timing to take my hair out. Guys, be mindful. I've had braids for a good 4 or 5 weeks, so I go in with a rat tail comb to comb out all of that dust that's kept in my hair so that when I do shampoo it, every single thing comes out. And since taking my hair out takes a very long time, I'm just going to be seeing you guys when I'm finished. So after I take out all of my hair, I'm going to be spraying it with rice water. The rice water promotes hair growth and less breakage. After I have my hair done for a long period of time, like crochet, braids, cornrows, crochet, you name it, I spray it with rice water. Please be mindful, rice water does smell bad. So I just put a little bit of essential oils and a little bit of lemon drops to get rid of the smell. To be honest, it still smells terrible. But it still helps with my hair, so I can tolerate it. I'm just going to be putting a plastic bag over my head. If you don't have a shower cap like me, a plastic bag is still effective as long as it is sealed around the edges of the head. I'm just going to be leaving it for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how long you want it. I usually do it for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to just wash it out. So these are the top 3 products that I use when I wash my hair. Listen, I'm going to be honest, I am obsessed with Shea Moisture. If it helps my hair, I am not going to argue with it. I shampoo my hair with the coconut and hibiscus shampoo. And then once I rinse that out, I condition it with the Repair and Hydrate conditioner. And once I also rinse that out, I actually apply the moisturizer while my hair is still damp because my hair does dry pretty fast. So as it dries, I apply the moisturizer. So now that my hair is all clean and all dried up, I love it when my hair is all clean and dried. Well, not dried, but all clean. I just give it a little stretch a little bit so that all the hair is stretched out. My hair smells so good, y'all. Now I'm just sectioning my hair so that I'm able to twist it out. To be honest, I really don't care about the precise sectioning as long as I'm able to moisturize it and my entire head is twisted at the end of the night. So right now I'm just going to be taking the Shea Moisture moisturizer and applying it onto my hair. And once it is stretched out, I am just going to be twisting it. So this is the finished product of how it looks like. I literally look like how my mom used to do my hair when I was like in 1st grade. Oh, so cute. I also applied the Moroccan Oil Treatment on the edges of my hair because I need my edges back. All that edge control and all that wig stuff had damaged my edges. I am also going to be putting on a bonnet on my head to secure the moisture and to keep my hair safe. So it is the morning after and I undo the twist and blow dry it. Y'all, this blow dryer is the best thing that has ever happened to my life because I remember that I used to hold my comb and my blow dryer in 2 different hands and I would just comb. It would just be way too much work. So I'm using my, I think it's the Revlon blow dryer. I got it from Amazon, and I'm just going to be using the low setting just to comb up my hair. I blow dry my hair in the downward position because that's where all of the air comes out, and I'm just going to be blow drying it all around my head until the rest of my head gets combed out. So I'm just going to be combing my hair in a direction where I'm going to be putting it into a ponytail. Since I am going out, I'm just going to be brushing it all the way around my head. Make sure no spot is left behind and my whole head is combed out. Y'all, that feels so good. So I'm going to be using a shoelace. Yes, I use a shoelace to tie my hair up because the other hair ties don't really work as effectively as I want it to be. So I just take the shoelace, wrap it around my head, and slowly pull just enough to feel comfortable and my puff is not as tight, and I am ready to get out the door. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know if you guys want to see more of the hair tutorials. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, what are you doing? Subscribe already.